Hey guys, so before we starting the project, I just want to say that I know a lot of people don't like to make the exact same thing as the tutorial, and this is totally fine. I mean, you can play with the values, you can change the setting, change the animation, doesn't matter. You can do whatever you want. And for that reason, I would be very curious to see if you finish the tutorial, what kind of results you get. So if you have a cool final renders or cool final comp, and you want to send me this, you can do this at this address and I will be very happy to see it and maybe do some kind of compilation with the best work. So yeah, now here we go. Hey guys, so here we are in Maya and we're gonna start building a quick layout. So let's go first grab a plane, which is gonna be 4x4 subdivision, and let's scale this up. Now let's turn on the wireframe. Pretty good. Yeah, so let's now create some rocks. So I'm gonna go grab a cube and that's gonna be my rock. So I'm going to do some crazy modeling, take the face, get it down. Yep, let's move the point. Here we go. And here it is, my rock. That's a very conceptual rock, like very minimalist. But yeah, let's move it, rotate, scale it up. Let's duplicate this rock and place another one here, scale this down. Actually, let's scale this one up. And here we go. So let's rotate that one. And let's duplicate this one around here. So the reason I'm doing this is just to get some kind of visual representation of where we are in the shot. So for example, the snake gonna do this way, this path. And the camera gonna be over here looking this direction. So yeah, let's go create our camera. So I'm gonna choose camera and aim. This way I can control where the camera is looking with this. Let's place the camera around here. Nice. And let's dive in. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on the gate mask. Gonna put this in black. Here we go. So now let's adjust the camera position. So I'm gonna put -4. I'm gonna bring back some 8, so 0.3. Yeah, this is better. And yeah, -20. Alright, so now I'm not seeing my second rock and I'm really upset, so let's just move it, scale this up. Let's scale this one down, move it on the left. Here we go. And yeah, perfection. So now let's go put the frame range of our shot. So it's gonna be 100 frame. Here we go. So let's bring the camera aim a little bit higher so I can see more sky in the frame. Here we go. And now let's add some movement to our camera. So I'm gonna select it, keyframe at the first frame, then I'm gonna jump to the last frame, and I'm gonna dezoom a little bit like this, and keyframe again. Here we go, so we get some nice camera move. Yeah, pretty good. Another thing I want in this shot is some kind of Dutch angle, like rotate the camera in the axis to get some diagonal views. So yeah, to make that, I'm gonna go to channel control, and I can see on my attributes and the non-keyable attribute, which I can't access yet. So if I scroll this down, I should find these three rotate axes. So I'm gonna select them and move them to the keyable column, and I'm gonna use the rotate axis Z. Here we go. So let's keyframe that. So the first frame, I'm gonna put 9 keyframe, and I'm gonna jump to last frame and put Let's say 20. Keyframe again, and here we go. So now, let's make sure our camera is not stopping at the end of the shot. So we're gonna go into Windows, Animation, Graph, and we're gonna set all those curves to linear. Here we go. And now we have a constant camera move.